I got my water, I'm ready to go. Today is June 1st. It's our first harvest of the year. What is it? Chamomile. You ready? Trying to find a place for it. Oh, maybe a frog is jumping on it. Where's your? Oh, you got your scooper ready to go.
That's ready.
All right,
My water.
let's do it.
Bags.
Yeah. Aluminium. Now this first row is kind of rough, but that's because we had hops in here, and we let that side go, so that side has more chamomile in it. Blueberry picker?
Yeah, I think that's what it's called.
Way overpriced though, right?
But no, I think this was a cheap one. A chamomile picker is way overpriced.
Robert.
A big rabbit.
We're on break right now from picking chamomile because it's about 91 degrees with about 200% humidity. But help's on the way.
It's warm. Oh, did you want to do them?
I did.
I made it through everything I never thought I would. Heading back, now I'm here and it just feels so good. We're alive, we can breathe, now let's break some rules. It's time to jump, time to scream, can we act like fools? I deserve a little bit of fun. You and I until the sun comes up. I deserve a little bit of fun. Let me feel a million breeze make me forget
guys done? We're gonna leave this row to reseed so it's more next year. So we're done. We're done harvesting, right? Thank you guys. Thanks for harvesting with us. So we'll go up here and we'll dump out our prizes and see what we got.
Dumpy, dumpy, dumpy.
See what we got.
This is not bad.
Nice.
Wow.
Ooh, that's a lot.
Alice has yours. Here, Dad.
That's your dad's? Okay.
Uh-oh. Dad's got a lot.
Uh-oh, Dad does have a leaf in there, though. Dad.
You got one.
You guys want to dump this, but you got to be real careful. Del, you want to help with that one?
Here's one. Oh, no.
Fine, and Carrie's in here.
Careful.
Here.
I'm trying to find the open.
Yeah, I gotta find here. Let's do it this way. I think there's something in there. There you go.
Someone left their comb in there.
And now you can pick it up. Okay.
Oh my. So far your dad's winning.
I don't know. She's got another clump here.
Oh really? Well, but didn't you dump yours in mine?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why.
Mm.
All right, next bag.
There's still some in the corner here.
Okay. Does it smell good?
Mm-hmm. No, this.
Not wrong.
Pull this dump off. Can you get it ready? It's almost easier if you kind of like go like that. There you go.
Hey, there's two of them now.
That's mom and the dad. The birds?
I only saw the mom before.
The dad's over figuring out what's going
All
on.
right, there's our haul.
There you go.
Okay, now you guys got to hang out and pick all the stems out. All right, that's it. That's the end of Chamomile Harvest Season 2023.
Number 1.
Say goodbye, everybody.
Goodbye, everybody.
Flush in my eyes. It's time to dance to